So Gabby and I are in Sorrento. We got here a few hours ago and we explored the town a little bit, and now we came to the beach. Her toes are all sandy. I haven't gone in the water yet, but she said it's very cold, so I'm gonna put my feet in and see what happens.
I see, I like, I go, I get, go, I get, go, I get, go, I get now. Go, I get, go, I get, go, I get now. I got my lows, I got my highs, moving them close to my goal.
Alright, Gabby, where are we going right now? To get one. On a boat. No big deal.
I get, no one can hold me back.
Monday present.
I see, I like, I go,
No, thank you.
go, I get, go, I get, go, I get now.
So Gabby and I are at Villa Treville right now in Positano, and we just ordered a marinara pizza and what is this? Peroni lemon beer, and it's so good.
It's amazing. Recommend you get that somewhere.
And as you would have seen already, we took a boat from, like, I guess the main location to their beach. What do they call it? The beach club. The beach club. So that's where I guess their restaurant is and everything. So we are gonna try some pizza now, and the pizza in Italy so far has been like hella amazing. So this one's probably gonna be really good.
Go, I get, no one can hold me back. I see, I like, I go, I get, go, I get, go, I get, go, I get now.
So now Gabby and I are waiting for a ferry to go from Positano to Sorrento. It was way more expensive than the bus. The bus was only like €3.
€3, literally.
But Gabby got
14 euros.
really bad motion sickness on the bus. Thought she was gonna die.
I did. I thought I was gonna die. I started literally crying, and I thought like anything would be better than this. So I took a pill, and I had gum, and people looked at me like I was a sad person.
And we were also standing on the bus, so we decided maybe on the way back, let's treat ourselves to
ferry
boat
ride.
ferry ride. So Gabby and I are back in Sorrento now.
We made it.
We made it after our ferry, which was a much better experience. However, it was like triple the price. So
At least triple, but
after the morning we had, which we haven't even said yet on camera, it was definitely well deserved, I guess you could say.
yes, we needed it. We needed to see both sides of the story.
Yeah. So we are going to walk around Sorrento a little bit more because yesterday we were only here for like an hour or so.
And we didn't have dinner here, so we figured just explore it at night a little bit.
Yeah, and see what it's like. That's what we're gonna do now. So we are going to talk to you guys about our Positano experience today. We are, I would say, pretty budget travelers. So our plan when going to Positano was going to be getting there the cheapest way possible, not spending a lot of money there because we had heard that it's more expensive than other parts of
Super
Italy.
expensive.
And when we got there, we realized it was true. Our first plan for the day was to get on the bus, which stops like a block away from our hotel. And then we're waiting, and 9:30, no bus comes. So we're just like, okay, well, maybe like, you know, we had the times wrong, maybe this, maybe that. So then we waited. Then it ended up that like at around 10:30, more people started coming to the bus stop. So we're like, okay, now we know it's right. But then all these people had these tickets.
So I'm like, Shanna, do we need a ticket to be on this bus? Because multiple people told us we could buy a ticket on the bus. So the bus comes and we have no ticket, and they're like, you cannot get on this bus.
So then we go asking around where we can buy a ticket, and like no one's really giving us like clear direction.
It was literally Simon Says. Like we
Yeah.
went into the bar and the bar was like, go ask the photo shop, and we went into that shop, and then that shop was like, go ask the coffee shop. And
We went to this like gelato shop, and these girls were like, yeah, right across the street, you can get a ticket there. So we got a ticket, and then basically there was another bus like within like a 10-minute span, so we were trying to make that bus.
we started
but
running.
We started running and it already passed us. We were like, great. So we decide to go to Sorrento because we are staying in the town right outside Sorrento called San Agnello. And the buses from Sorrento run more frequently to Positano than the buses from this area. So we finally get to Sorrento, then we are walking and we ask a guy in the shop like, we already have tickets, where do we wait for the bus? And he points us like in the direction down there. So we're waiting for like an hour, and then we see a few buses, and you know, they're not going to Positano, they're not like going in the right direction, whatever. So we're like, okay, we need to like maybe like cross the street or go to the train station or something. So as we're crossing the street, like basically about to go to the train station, this nice old man is like, oh, where are you girls going? And we're like, oh, we're trying to go to Positano.
We've been trying.
And he's like, yeah, if you go to the train station, like that's where all the buses are. And we're like, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So we finally go to the train station. There's like a huge line of people waiting for buses. So we're like, thank
Huge.
God. Number one, that we found the right spot, but also number two is like me and Gab are like, we're not getting on a bus till like
Till like 2 p.m.
yeah,
today.
like the amount of people. But we actually ended up getting on a bus like within like 30 minutes.
Every seat was taken, but then they were like, you can stand, and you and I were like,
Yeah, we're like, we'll stand.
Us.
We don't care. We don't care. But was that a good decision? So Gabby gets really bad motion sickness, and
Yeah.
standing on the bus going down a mountain like this
Okay,
and
but-
up a mountain like this is not good.
in all fairness to me, the terrain was crazy.
We made it there by mid-afternoon, and we were super happy about it because we thought that we were gonna like not get to see it at all.
Yeah, it's such a scenic place. Like when you go, like it's just like insane. Like it looks just like every photo you ever see. It's like
Yeah.
mesmerizing in every direction, and like the sea is just like sparkling, and it's just like it's an insane place to be,
Yeah,
for
it's
sure.
definitely something that we would recommend you guys see.